Talk 98, Use of Machines and Tools. In our company, to meet production goals, some workers must operate certain machines. This is only allowed if they are trained and officially authorized. Accidents rarely occur when machines are kept in good condition and operated correctly. Most accidents happen because of unsafe practices or lack of knowledge. Only trained and authorized people may operate machines. Respect for machines. Machines and tools are expensive. It takes skilled people to repair them. A good operator takes pride in the machine. He respects it. He knows that if he cares for it, he produces quality work. But if he removes guards or works carelessly, the machine may take revenge by taking a finger or even a hand. Never use a machine you do not know. Safe practices. Dress correctly. Loose clothing, sleeves, cuffs, ties, and jewelry must never be worn near machinery. On some machines, even gloves are dangerous. Keep your mind on the job. Daydreaming can become a nightmare. Avoid unrelated conversations. Distractions are dangerous. Never remove a guard unless the machine is completely stopped and locked out. Replace the guard before starting again. Do not operate a machine if you are sick, tired, or emotionally distracted. Report any problem immediately. Before starting, check that the machine is in good condition and that all guards are in place. Do not try to repair the machine yourself. Report it so a qualified person can fix it. Cutting tools must be sharp. A dull tool, or excessive speed or pressure, can cause breakage and painful injuries. Make sure stops, feeds, and speeds are properly adjusted. Know what will happen before starting. When finished, remove chips with a brush. If compressed air is used, watch out for flying particles. Protect nearby workers. Always stop the machine before oiling, adjusting, or making repairs. Turn the machine off before leaving it unattended, even for a moment. Final note. We have mentioned 11 safety rules. There are many more. Each machine has its own. But one principle is always true. Respect the machine, and it will respect you.